Hey, what's going on, guys? Today's video I'm going to be showing you how much my over 1 million viewed video within 1 year has made in lifetime. Hey guys, if you're new here, welcome. We have a lot of fun here. Smash that subscribe button down below and turn on your bell notifications so when fresh content comes out, you're the first to know. We're going to go ahead and break it down a little bit. I'll show you also the subscribers. My channel is a one-off channel, and if you don't understand what that is, it just means that I make so many different types of videos, DIY projects around the house, computer fix videos like this one we're going to get into in just a split second. I also do product reviews. A lot of videos pop, a lot of them don't. I'll show you some analytics that might help you guys stay motivated for your channel, especially if you're not getting good subscriber to view ratio, etc. And we'll be making some more videos just like this. So this is my top earning video. It's not my most viewed video. I have a video that's over 2.2 million views. It should be upwards about 2.4 million now. That's, I believe, another computer fix video as well. This particular one is if you forgot your Windows 7 password. So since I uploaded it March 17th, right up here, as you can see that March 17th of 2018, it's currently April 6th of 2019, so we're just a hair over 1 year. As you can see here, this is how a lot of my videos start. So a lot of people think that they're going to upload a video and it's going to go viral immediately. It depends what subject it is. Now, if you've watched other videos like this, obviously the CPM, which is your payout rate of 1,000 views, a lot of different channels are going to be different. Prank channels are going to have a different one. Tech channels, product review videos, it's all going to be different, but this is just kind of an estimation that you can kind of go off of a little bit. So here in March 17th, I uploaded it and there was absolutely no traffic for about almost 2 months there. And then it starts kind of catching wind a little bit. People start commenting. People are thanking me in the comments that it's actually working, it's helping them. And then it's shared, and then YouTube is like, oh, hey, okay, this video is actually helping people. We're going to share it. And then it just continues to share, earning. And then a huge spike back in October here, 100,000 minutes. That must be 100,000 minutes of watch time, which is absolutely fantastic. So let's come up here to some numbers up here. This video in 1 year has netted me 11.4 thousand subscribers. That's phenomenal. My channel definitely grew in that year just from one video. This does happen to a lot of YouTubers, so you'll get a ton of subscribers. You'll see channels with 200,000 subscribers with an average view on every video, sometimes only 4,000 to 7,000 views, and you're like, that doesn't make any sense. It's, again, they're subscribing for one particular intrigue them, and they may never watch your videos again, and that definitely has happened with my channel. Let me come over here to socialblade.com real quick. This is my channel right now. I have 54,987 subscribers. And you can see here down in my stats, and that's actually a really cool website to check out if you want to kind of get some detailed information there. It's not completely accurate. Obviously $176 through 2.8K per month. It's not quite this high, but it's just a little bit lower than that. So back to the analytics here. 13 months, it has netted me $4,992.42. Again, 11.4K subscribers. We have 1.6 million views on it, and watch time is 8.6 million. I do like these analytics. Let's go ahead and break this down just a little bit. I don't want to make this video too long here. So technically the 1 year period, it's pretty much the same because I literally was making no money off of it. It barely had any traction. That might be a little bit skewed. So let's go down to last 90 days. It obviously has dropped a little bit. That's just how videos do. They pick up, they go down a little bit. We have $1,355 in the last 90 days, just off one video, guys. You have to remember that. And again, my channel is a one-off channel. Last 28 days, $448, and last 7 days, you're looking at $88.71. I still got 190 subscribers just off this one video, 33.3K views right there. Just for context, we're gonna look at my second highest viewed video this month, and it's a how to unclog a toilet one. Again, this one started off very slow, just like my other one, and then popped really hard. That's just how my channel does sometimes. It finally takes a little bit of time, several months before traction comes underway. Then I have other videos about television fixes that will get 20,000 views within 2 weeks. So 28 days, that got me $184. Going up to 90 days, This video, $685. And the last year, this video has netted me $2,938. And let's see since upload, because this one I think is a little bit more time. We have 874,000 views. It's gotten me 1.3 thousand subscribers just off unclogging a toilet. And then, okay, I uploaded it about similar time, I think. So $3,975. Next and last is gonna be, and let's take a look at it. This is installing PEX piping with my dad. He's a DIY, that's where I got all my skill set. And we install PEX piping in my parents' home in Colorado. Last 28 days, 156 bucks. 85 subscribers. 90 days, 477, 264 subscribers. Last year, for 1 year, $1,543, 796 subscribers. And this video is pretty, I've had this up for a while, since 2017 June. It has made me $2,385 and 1.1K subscribers. Now you have to understand, guys, that these videos, once they're up, they're continuing to make you money. You've probably heard of passive income. Obviously it takes work to film it, takes work to upload it, but once it's up, that's what I love about YouTube and ad revenue, especially if it's things that people come back to YouTube for. A lot of pranks, they start dying out after a while unless YouTube shares them. But again, because YouTube is the second largest search engine, someone will search for how to fix this television that's 10 years old, my video will pop up. How to install PEX piping, my video will pop up. So you kind of have to think about that sometimes if your channel is a little bit different. And again, those 3 videos took my channel from the mid 30,000 subscriber level up to 54,993 currently right now. And lastly, I just want to prove to you that my subscriber to view ratio is absolutely terrible, but again, it does work for my channel because I am making some decent money off of it. I have videos that have 94 views that have been up for about 3 or 4 days. I have ones that are 800 views that have been up for about 2 weeks. And then you have ones like this computer fix video, this LG blinking television light one with 22,000. And then obviously my next one is 704. My next 2, I should say, is actually 704. The one before that, only 389. So again, I do so many different things on this: computer fixes, television fixes, product reviews. Sure, I wish that I could get a lot more views per video, subscriber to view ratio, but it is what it is. I'm still able to make some money and be able to pay my bills. So hopefully this helps you guys continue to move forward in your YouTube career, and don't be bummed out when you have a high subscribed, very low view ratio. So hopefully the video helped, guys. Smash that thumbs up button and share it around if you have other YouTubers that are struggling or just want to know how much people make. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.